Ready to learn macrame in a way like never before? In my new guides, I will teach you all the skills and knowledge you need to learn to get started on your own macrame journey. I will walk you through everything you need to know, from choosing the best macrame rope to what to do if you ever run out of rope in the middle of a project. I will also teach you all the basic and beginner knots, as well as some really fun and unique knots and patterns too. I even will teach you 2 full macrame projects so you can put your new skills into action. So what makes these guides so special? They are wildly searchable. There is no need to waste time searching through Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube, or Google. Everything is located in one convenient location with easy to understand instructions. Looking for just one specific topic? You can simply ask the microphone or type what you are looking for, and it will take you to the exact moment I start talking about that topic. It's like making a Google search inside the course. Each video is also transcribed, giving you the ability to read each lesson and learn anywhere you are. You can even click on the text and it will jump to that specific part of the class. Everything is organized in a table of contents and with timestamps, allowing you to move at your own pace and skip to the information you are most looking for. If English isn't your strongest language, then you are able to change the closed captioning to different languages. You can even change the actual audio to hear me teach in your language of choice. If you ever get stuck and need to ask for advice, you can do that right here in the guide too. Simply ask me your question in the chat function and I will get back to you. With my new guides, there is no need to waste hours just searching for the information you need. It is all in one convenient location, well organized with great instructions. So, if you're ready to create some beautiful art by tying some knots, then let's get started.